Hey guys, this is Rob. I just got back from shooting the Glock 26, getting ready to upload some videos of that. It's always a fun time shooting the 26. It's an accurate little gun for the size of it. I mean, there's really not a better choice in my mind. I mean, this is just a great little gun. Every time I go shoot it, which is pretty frequently, I just like it that much more. But go ahead and cut to the clips of the shooting, and we'll let you see how that went. So you can see the Glock 26 is really accurate from 10 yards, just kind of pulling them off.